Perfumery offers an online professional perfumery course, available in 2024, provided at 2 levels, basic and advanced. The basic course is for those who want to start their journey in perfumery. It covers basic concepts of perfumery, notes, top, middle, and base notes, and their identification. Additionally, information on synthetic and natural ingredients is also provided. The advanced course is for those who already have a basic understanding and aspire to excel in perfume creation. Participants will learn about perfume formulation, long-lasting perfumes, fixatives, and other chemicals used in perfume blending. The course focuses on perfume blending, achieving the perfect balance of ingredients and their correct proportions. Both courses are available in Hindi and can be completed online from the comfort of your home.
My father told me I was timid child. At the school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I can't afford my whole teenage life.